This is a short video on how to replace a Cupra Formentor key fob battery. First thing you'll need is a new battery. I've got a CR2032 3-volt battery. Next thing you'll need is a sharp object. I've got a file. You can use anything similar. And we want to be getting the file or the sharp object and making a entrance into the actual key fob here. You want to be careful with the cosmetic damage. You don't actually scratch the key, so nice careful short movement. So you want to be getting a start, so there's a little start there. You can get it with your nail and just hold it and just start running it around the actual key. Hold it with your nail there. All the way around, and it should just pop off there. So yours might be a little bit tighter, but just have to be patient and just keep on working it at each angle while holding it with your nail, and just careful not to bend or break any of the actual brackets on the actual case itself. So once you get the actual case off, battery here, you can't actually get the battery out with your thumb. You need your sharp object again, and you see there's two lugs, one there, one there. So just in between the two lugs, and just flick the battery up and out, and you get out with your thumb. Easy as that. New battery in, push it down, click it locked. So make sure the battery goes underneath the two lugs again. Case on. And just like that, it's done. Time for the next one.